Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rearrange pages for booklet printing with right binding. Open your PDF file and select here organize page option. Now select merge pages option and select here your page size. You can select custom page, this page margin and select all page. Also you can select a specific page range if you want and go type option and already selected booklet and select booklet and also select your book and this is left binding showing here. If you select a right binding and see this page position now change and this page review, now you can make this source file remain and if you check this remove source file will remove. Now simply select OK and see this page now apply right binding. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.